In order to deposit funds to your Trading212 account on the app, you want to log in, and then at the very bottom there towards the right, you can tap the three horizontal lines there. So go ahead and tap onto those three lines there. You can then have an option to either deposit or switch to practice. You want to tap onto deposit option there, and then where it says fee, underneath it, you then see this section right here. It will be in a rectangular format. So go ahead and click onto that. You either going to add a debit card, or maybe there is other recommended option like bank transfer, Google Pay, and card as well, depending on what your location is. And then you want to tap into your debit card there. So go ahead and tap onto your debit card. You are able to come back here, tap the amount that you want to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit $2,000. I will just select to one of these four options listed for the amount here. Tap the blue deposit button, and then within a couple of seconds, you deposit your money in your account on the app. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.